How to see all Google answers in Google Form on mobile. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So in order to see all the answers of your required Google Form, you have to open the Google Drive, or if you can't see Google Drive on your mobile, you can simply install it. So make sure to log in with the account that you have on the Google Sheets or Google Docs. It is the same thing. So now go for the three bars on the top right, and you have to go for this recent, and this will opens up your required form. So simply click on that, and this will take you to the website view where you have to simply zoom in. Now go for this responses. Once you have clicked on that, all the responses of your students or your colleagues or any kind of people who have attended this Google form will seen right here. So you can save it, share it, or you can use it as your own desires. So yeah, that's how basically you can see all answers in Google Forms on mobile.